Unveiling the world of greenhouse benches. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term that combines both nature and technology: greenhouse benches. This term might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and importance, especially for those interested in gardening and agriculture. Let's dive into what greenhouse benches are and why they matter. First off, let's break down the term. A greenhouse is a structure with walls and a roof made chiefly of transparent material, like glass, where plants are grown under controlled conditions. Benches, in this context, are not just seats in a park. They refer to long, sturdy tables or platforms where plants are placed. So, greenhouse benches are essentially tables or platforms inside a greenhouse on which plants are grown. Greenhouse benches have several key purposes. They optimize space by allowing plants to be organized efficiently, improve air circulation around the plants, and make it easier to manage the plants, including watering, fertilizing, and monitoring for pests and diseases. There are several types of greenhouse benches, including fixed benches, rolling benches, and tiered benches, each offering different advantages for space utilization and plant management. When it comes to greenhouse benches, materials matter. They can be made from wood, metal, plastic, or concrete, each with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. For instance, metal benches are durable and resistant to pests, while wood benches might offer a more natural look but could be susceptible to rot. Key considerations when choosing greenhouse benches include durability, maintenance, cost, and how well they support plant growth. Greenhouse benches might seem like a small aspect of gardening and agriculture, but they play a crucial role in the efficient and effective growing of plants. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone interested in the technicalities of agricultural practices, understanding the role and types of greenhouse benches can provide valuable insights. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of greenhouse benches and how they contribute to successful plant cultivation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content on English language learning.